Welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiro. This week we are making shepherd's pie. We're going to start off with the bottom layer of the pie. This is basically a beef mince stew, and we're going to fry the onions for about 3 minutes until they're fully cooked. We'll add in the vegetables. I put in 2 tomatoes, 3 grated courgettes, 3 grated carrots, and 1 bell pepper. You're going to add salt to taste, black pepper, this is optional, and you're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. While this is cooking, we're going to prepare the top layer, which is mashed potatoes. We're going to take some medium-sized potatoes diced into 4, add salt to taste, add 3 or 2 cloves of garlic, and add some cold water. We're then going to let this boil until everything is soft. 5 minutes are up. We are then going to add in some 500 grams of minced beef that had been boiled for 30 minutes. After stirring, we are going to add 1 beef cube and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We are then going to add a 1/4 cup of water and let this boil for 10 minutes on low heat. While the mince was boiling, the potatoes were soft. I added in 1/2 tablespoon of butter. You can use Blue Band. Then mashed it. When it was all ready, I added in the mince stew first and then added the mash on top. At 175 degrees, bake the pie for 25 minutes. Once it's done, the top will be crisp and it will be ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching.